Everyone, it's Misty here. Welcome to the StampAnniething YouTube channel and preview day 1 of the October 2022 release. Thank you so much for joining us. I'm so excited for you to see all the goodies that we have in store for you. So day 1 will be today. I'm going to share with you the stamp set, the 2 dies. There's a builder die and there's a word die, and the stencil. I'm also going to be sharing with you the amazing samples from our design team. They are just and sometimes I get a little imposter syndrome when I see people, but they have curated a very talented design team, and you are not going to want to miss what we have in store. So be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on the post notifications. Like I said, we are trying to bump up content on the YouTube channel. You're going to have to give us a little bit of time, but we will get there. If you missed it, I posted 2 of 3 videos using the September release, which was themed Love Boat. You'll have to leave me a comment and leave a comment down below guessing what you might think October's release is. So as I said, today is preview day 1. Tomorrow we'll have day 2, and Friday we'll have day 3. So yeah, so I'm going to head over to my craft table. I'm going to walk you through all of the products for today. These will be available on Friday, and you will have 2 more videos over the next few days. If you haven't already, I highly recommend joining the Facebook group. All of the links to the social media are linked in the description box down below, but that is where you can interact more with the design team one-on-one. They do lives a lot. You get to interact with Annie, etc. It's a really great group. Fun, they keep it going, they keep it moving, and there's always something to see. So without any further ado, let me head over to my craft table and I'm going to walk you through day 1's October release. Y'all, I don't think you're prepared for the cuteness that is this October release. So same as I did last month, I'm going to share with you the products, and as I'm sharing with you the products, I will have samples from the design team up on the screen for you as well. If you want if you want more inspiration, don't forget to join the Facebook group. It's listed in the description box down below, or follow on the other social media. Okay, so let's start with the stencil. So as I'm talking about this, I want to remind you about Stamp Club. Stamp Club is a monthly way for you to get the releases plus other goodies like discounts to the store, special digis, etc. So the base is 3 stamps. The middle is 3 stamps with their outline dies, and then the 3rd tier is where you get everything. And that includes the dies, the stencil, and all of the chibi characters. So again, you can find a direct link to Stamp Club in the description box down below. If you want this month, when you go to checkout to subscribe, all you have to do, Anne has it set up so you can click either month. You can also check out Stencil Club down there. Stencil Club is where you get 3 unique exclusive designs every month. So yeah, all right. Let us start with this beautiful stencil. So this is called the Stained Glass Impressions stencil, and I think it's gorgeous. And this is one of those stencils that is like almost universal in what you could use it for. Like when I look at it, I could also see like beach balls. Maybe I'm the only one. Maybe I'm the only one, but there's just so much you can do with this. You can, use the stencil and then cut it out with a circle and make an ornament for a card. There's so many things that you can do with this, and the design team has really hit it out of the park with this stencil, I really feel. So this is the Stained Glass Impressions, and again, these will be available coming Friday. Next is the word die, and the word die for the month is Fantasy. So you get this really pretty scripty font, and then its outline as well. We have the Arch Window Box die. This is amazing. So you get the window, you get a window box, you get what could be shrubbery, you get a couple of flowers. These are the shutters, and then you get little ties. I believe these are ties for the shutter. So love the samples this month. I think they hit it out of the park. And what I love about this die is when Anne showed it to me, I immediately thought of Christmas. This would be so much fun to have the window and you're looking into the living room or whatever, and you see a Christmas tree that's lit up at night. Like, that is the card that's in my brain, and hopefully I will be able to translate that to paper at some point, because that's what popped. I have holidays on the brain, guys. on my channel, I'm already like 20 days into the holiday card series. So anyway, love this. So useful, and you can get, like, this is going to be one of those dies that you can use for any occasion, really. So that is the builder die. And then our first chibi character is Tiffany, Believe in Yourself. So Tiffany is wearing her little unicorn hat. It's got a little corn. It's got her horn, got some ears. She's got a really pretty braid and a nice flowy dress. I love her little lips. The lips like slay me. They're so stinking cute. And then you have I Believe in You, and then Believe in Yourself. You could do like believe in, I believe, like, so you can mask this sentiment, I believe, and put like Santa, I believe in Santa, I believe in angels, I believe in pumpkins, I believe in pumpkin spice lattes, whatever you want to do. And of course we have her coordinating outline die. So as I mentioned, if you sign up for Stamp Club, the first level will get you all 3 of the chibi character stamps. The second level will get you all 3 of the chibi character stamps with their outline dies. And then the third level will get you the builder dies, the word die, and the stencil. That is open internationally as well. When you follow the link in the description box down below, you can see where it says US and Canada, and then it says international. That's it. Thank you so much for joining me for our October 2022 release reveal. So this is preview day 1. I will be back tomorrow for day 2, and then finally on day 3. And don't forget that these products will be available come Friday. Don't forget to subscribe, because I am uploading a card every Friday for you guys. This week it's going to land on Saturday. Last month's release was delayed because of issues with products. So we ran into a little boo-boo, but it's going to go up on Saturday, and I think you're going to love what I did with Isaac. I love it. So anywho, let me know what you think of our products in the comments down below. Don't forget, you can find all the information in the description box. Don't forget to follow our other social media. And again, check out the Facebook group if you want more stamp inspiration. All right, friends, that's it. I will see you tomorrow for our second reveal video. Bye for now.